Sa mga batang nanonood, makakakita kayo ng isang delikadong stunt na ipapamalas ng trained mentalist. Get ready for another mind-bending trick from the mental assassin, Justin Piñon. Hi, Justin. Ako,
Kaya lang, paalala sa mga bata, huwag niyo hutong gayahin.
Yes.
Dangerous.
Okay, good afternoon again,
Good
guys.
afternoon, Justin.
Thank you for
I like
having
your
me
jacket,
back.
Justin.
Yeah, thank you. Anyway, thank you for having me back. Nung huli ako nandito, I'm sure nabilib kayo. So, I decided to risk my life. So, now, mamaya, ibibigay ko sa hands ninyo yung life ko.
Ayaw ko makulong, Wilmalin. Ikaw na lang, manunood na lang ako.
Okay, go.
Anyway, we have here, sinet up natin kanina, we have here hydrochloric acid.
Nakita namin ho talaga, during the break, nilagyan nila ng hydrochloric acid.
Yes. So, hydrochloric acid is odorless. Okay? So, pwede siya ma-mistake as water.
Oh,
Diba?
yes.
So, pag nainom mo yan, this is one of the dangerous acids in the world. So, pag nainom mo yan, wala pa siguro 1 minute, di ba, masusunog na yung mga laman-laman loob mo.
Innards mo.
Yeah, so pag nainom ko yan, malamang patay.
Sige na, gawin mo na yung trick, pero huwag kang mamatay, ha?
Anyway, safety first, safety first. Meron tayong gloves dito, pwede nyo suotin to.
Kami dalawa yan?
Yep.
Susutin
It's okay,
namin.
yes. Safety first.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, now you have your gloves. We're ready. Anyway, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glasses.
What's the foil for?
Fourth, this is real water.
Okay.
Now, itong glass na to mamaya, lalagyan nyo ng tubig, any amount na magpapantay dito, and then papalitan nyo ng isa. Papalitan nyo ng isa, whatever gusto nyo palitan, papalitan natin ng isa.
Okay.
Tapos yung pinalit ninyo, lagay nyo dito. Okay? Now, tatalikod ako para walang makakita.
Yung pinalit namin,
Yes.
lalagay namin doon.
Yes. Kukuha kayong isa, lagay nyo doon, tapos palitan nyo ng real water. Okay?
Okay.
Dito ako.
Oy, nakikita mo. Sorry, ako magbabantay tayo, ikaw gumawa.
Sige, bantayan nyo po ako. Mas maganda po, Miss Wilma, wag nyo lang tignan kung nasan.
Si ate, kinakarir, oh.
Sigurado kong bulag na siya. Okay na? Okay na, Wilmalin.
Okay. Parang na-enjoy ko yung nangyari. Anyway.
Ano na na-enjoy mo? Ano na-enjoy mo doon yung amoy ng kilikili ko?
Anyway, to prove to you that this is hydrochloric acid, I'm gonna put,
What happens to foil when you dip it in hydrochloric
look,
acid?
you will see, this is metal foil.
Burn
So is
it.
that real for you guys?
Yes, that's
Okay,
real.
that's real. Now, let's continue. Sino ang nakakita dito ng kung saan yung water? Ikaw po.
Oh, sila lahat din, oh.
Okay, that's good. Now, kayo po, Wilma, alam niyo po ba kung nasan?
Hindi, hawak kita
Good.
eh.
Tingin mo nasan yung hydrochloric acid. Huwag mo pong sabihin, Miss Lucy. Whatever decision.
Eto yata.
This is hydrochloric acid for you.
Ewan ko, basta...
Are you sure, You can change your mind anytime.
Yan, hindi. Yan na talaga yung sa akin.
Okay, good. Let's see.
Ow.
Good job. Now, Miss Lucy, can I borrow your hand? Don't worry. Don't worry. I will not dip it. I will not dip it.
Hand ko na lang.
Dito. Hawak ko lang. This is called muscle reading. So, since medyo naalala niya kung nasan yung acid, I'm going to try kung mag-react siya.
Hindi ako titingin para hindi ako mag-react.
Well, it's okay. I'm reading her muscle, actually.
Hindi, huwag mo yung yung muscles mo, ha? Wala talaga akong ginagalaw. Hindi ko nga titingnan
Wait.
para hindi niya masabitan na
Okay,
nag-stop siya dahil nag-react ako.
I think this is the acid. Yes, it is. Now, last, Miss Wilma. Tingin niyo po saan yung acid.
Baka ito?
Okay. Galing. You did a great job. Now we're down with 2 glasses. Let's move this one. Dalawa na lang. Okay, now, gusto ko, since isa sa inyo nakakaalam, and alam din ng mga audience, pupunta ako dito sa harapan, haluin ko siya, and please turn your backs.
Okay?
Yes. Turn your backs. Don't look.
Sorry.
Okay. You can look now. My life is in your hands right now. Okay, now gusto ko mag-usap kayong dalawa. Pag-isipan nyo kung alin dyan yung water.
Pag napili namin yung...
Patay. Iinumin ko. Kung anong pinili yung water, yun yung iinumin ko.
Nakita nyo? Ay, oo nga, ito. Yan.
Yan ang ano yan, tubig.
Siguro.
Yan ang...
Try lang. Wala naman akong way of knowing eh.
Okay. It's okay. Nakakabahan ako dun. Okay. Please, keep your distance.
Uy, walang anuhan ha.
Oy, basta sinabi mo dyan eh. Total, assassin ka naman. Di kaya mo na
Okay.
yan.
Please give me time para mag-concentrate. Okay. This is the water for you. And this is the acid. Are you sure you can change your mind, ha?
Wala.
Wala, okay,
No
sige.
way of knowing eh.
Sige, let's stick with that. Okay, let's stick with that, with your decision. Anyway, whatever happens, huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi nyo ito pagsisisihan habang buhay. kung ano mangyari sa akin, joke lang.
Kuya, sandali.
So you think this is water and this is acid. Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! We're mabait.
Thank you very much. You did a great job. You saved my life. Thank you.
Paano mo ginawa yun, ha?
Thank you. Nabahan ako doon, ha? Thank you.
Well, you're good. Kapatid,
Justin.
you're good. Thank you, Justin. May gusto ka bang i-vlog, Justin?
Yes.
Saved a life today with Malin.
Yes, remember that. Anyway, meron akong bagong show sa flipish.com. It's called Going Mental. Umikot ako sa buong Manila. Ginawa ko ng mentalism yung mga celebrities, kung sino-sino mga sikat na tao, mga writers. So, it's called Going Mental at www.flipish.com. So, watch out for it. Nag-launch na siya nung June 20, yung first episode. So, nag-invite kami ng mga doctors dito. So, please watch it. Going Mental.
Thank you, Justin. At
Thank you.
susunod na ang pagsarang sa workshop ng Top 16 sa Star Ka, Anak Ko Yan. Stay with us.
On the way.